just say one thing today, that what Rahul Gandhi, questioning the speaker is not something that you can take a high moral ground on. Sushma Swaraj has questioned the speaker. Rajiv Rudi has questioned the speaker.
Right. That's right.
In fact, in April 2013, Sushma Swaraj slammed the speaker, saying it's only Sonia Gandhi who decides what happens in the house. So just tell me one thing, Sudhanshu Trivedi, on what basis do you now appear to be so hurt that, oh my God, Rahul Gandhi questioned the speaker, when this is something you've specialized in over the last 5 or 6 years? Mr. Trivedi.
Yes, of course. It gives a very surprising response, because when Rahul Gandhi himself is saying, when he is having a particular pattern in his party, which is a feudalistic type of party in which everybody, in an entire span of time, in the last 40-50 years, they were strictly person dominated. I was telling, from the days of Indira Gandhi to the slogans like Jaat pe na paat pe, Indira ji ki baat pe mohar lagegi haath pe, to the time of what Natwar Singh has revealed, that Sonia Gandhi is having much more control than Indira Gandhi. If he is speaking in this manner, when he has not spoken a single word in the last 5 years.
No, you didn't answer my question. No, you did not answer my question. What was my question?
So he is asking
no, you did not answer my question. My question to you was,
the question should be, the allegation should be properly authenticated and substantiated by an allegation. But he was unable to do that.
Just a minute,
what Sushma Swaraj has said, it has been consistently proved. Whether it is the appointment of CVC or other matter or Lokpal.
Sushma Swaraj.
What government's stand was consistent.
Just a minute. Sushma Swaraj said, Sudhanshu Trivedi, did Sushma Swaraj say,
was the postponement of trials of GM crops? I mean, you also have an extra constitutional authority that is dictating government policy. What are you talking about, Sudhanshu Trivedi?
There is a city in India called Nagpur.
We are having extra constitutional
कभी नागपुर गए हैं सुधांशु जी? नागपुर है.
We are not having such type of things in
महाराष्ट्र में एक शहर है, उसका नाम नागपुर है. वहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा एक रिमोट कंट्रोल रखा हुआ है.
There are certain things somebody can give any suggestion on policy matter.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
No,
one second. Sabha, just hold on for a minute, please, Sabha and Aarti. I don't think we can let the BJP spokesperson get away so easily. The very specific question is put, and I request the political party representative, remember, this is the news, this is not one of your political rallies where you can say what you want to and get away. You asked a question, answer the question. Sushma Swaraj said, the speaker has behaved like the Congress party's hand. At that point of time, was Sushma Swaraj demeaning the office of speaker or not? If she was, how do you now raise questions when the Congress party asked the same thing? How do you say the speaker is above question? You don't have a single answer to that, Mr. Trivedi. It's quite obvious to me. It's quite obvious to me that you don't.
At that time, what was the response of Rahul Gandhi? What was the response of Rahul and Sonia Gandhi? You also tell me that, then I will answer.
Absolutely absurd. And Arnab, can I tell you, Mr. Prabhu
and what is this substantive allegation?
No, 1 minute, Mr. Prabhu, Trivedi ji, आप सबसे पहले ये बताइए, आप भारत के लोगों को ये बताइए कि आपके प्रधानमंत्री मौन व्रत क्यों किए हुए हैं? आप एक ही प्रश्न का जवाब दीजिए, आपके प्रधानमंत्री मौन व्रत क्यों किए हुए हैं?
Assam when communal massacre was
going on. Don't speak at cross purposes.
Uttar Pradesh when communal violence was going on.
Sir, don't speak.
They were doing nothing. But suddenly you have said that no, this shows the authoritarian view which somebody inherits in this pluralistic mindset.
Sir, please respond to the question.
No,
don't
I really,
speak at cross
Arnab, allow me to
purposes.
say something to Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Yes, Sabha.
I just want to say to Sudhanshu that now every time there is any criticism of the BJP, Sudhanshu Trivedi in particular gives a history lesson. He preaches from the pulpit. He doesn't answer the question. Did the BJP not session after session follow a strategy of disrupting the entire house? So how are you preaching to people about parliamentary decorum? Regardless of the fact that Rahul is an amateur, nobody is holding back their punches on criticizing Rahul. But don't give us high moral lectures. Tell us about your own behavior.
Yes.
Oh, so if
yes, I want to answer. The dignity of any institution is being upheld by the person who holds the post. Can you compare the dignity?
No, 1 second. By which logic, Sabha? Just a minute, Sabha.
How you can by this logic?
By this logic,
we are speaking against.
No, this is.
So you are allowed to speak against
Mr. Trivedi.
It cannot be.
Mr. Trivedi, this is interesting logic.
You cannot say
what
that,
you are saying,
right? It is the
Mr.
same
Trivedi,
mindset which was comparing Narendra Modi with Rahul Gandhi.
Mr.
Now
Triv-
everything is coming gradually in front of nation.
Mr. Trivedi.
So I am again saying,
Mr. Trivedi, I request you
any
to
dignity
understand
of
today.
an office is being held by the person who is holding the post.
I request you to understand today that on one position you are weak and one position you are strong. You see, you are strong on the point when you say what happened to Rahul Gandhi. Till now he was sleeping in parliament, he was disinterested, how did he wake up? You have a strong point there. But however, when you start saying don't question the speaker, don't disrupt the house, these are things in which you are the, you hold the Guinness Book of World Records in disrupting the house and insulting the speaker. So you sound fake there. Nobody will believe you, Mr. Trivedi.
No.
Now let's deal with the first question.
This is-
1 second.
this is a
No,
very
1 minute,
flimsy
Mr.
logic
Trivedi,
which
now
is being
please.
given.
Now, Mr. Trivedi,
No,
let's deal with the first question.
You first speak, then allow me to answer.
No, let's deal with the first question, Mr.
No, no,
Trivedi.
I'm very curious to hear Mr.
Okay.
Trivedi's
No, what's it? The
answer.
first question. Now,
No,
This
let
is a
him
very
justify.
flimsy
I want him to
logic given
justify
when BJP
how the
started the
BJP
movement,
created
the government
roadblocks in
turned
the
a deaf
last
ear in July
UPA
2010.
and how they believed it was the right thing
They
to
have denounced any voice of opposition. Then finally, what happened? It
Just
led to
a-
Anna Ramdev and Kejriwal
Mr.
movement. And even then, the government was
Mr.
consistently
Trivedi, Mr.
You
Trivedi,
cannot compare that situation with today.
Mr. Trivedi, now let's talk about this drama which happened in Parliament today. What is quite self-evident, Rahul Narvekar, is that there was a certain set drama. So the principal protagonists in the drama were Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and the other people were the members of the caste, which is the other Congress party leaders and maybe the NCP leaders and all. I don't know if you were also in the loop about it. Do you think it was too much drama? Let's consider the facts, Rahul Narvekar. The fact of the matter is that the speaker gave the Congress MPs the option of getting their voice heard after noon today, as the Congress had not given a notice to suspend question hour, but instead of following procedure and waiting for their turn, they decided to storm into the well of the House. So with the facts at my command, it is clear to me that Sonia and Rahul came into Parliament with an intention that Rahul Gandhi must grab the headline.
Not true.
He must, no, you can say not true, it just
Because
doesn't
in
add
zero
up. You don't have to be Sherlock Holmes to
hour,
come
you
to
don't
that.
need to give a notice and you can discuss it.
No.
So we are aware of the parliamentary procedures and
can I
protocols.
just
No,
say
no, I don't know what
this issue would come up in 0 hour.
No, 1
Just
minute.
one
No,
thing.
Zero hour is a platform available to the
1 minute.
Congress
I want Rahul Narvekar
Arnab, I
to
just
come.
want to
There's
add
no
one thing.
orchestrated attempt at
No,
all.
no,
Rahul Gandhi sits in the second row and sleeps. Today he comes in the first row and sits next to his mother. Does he have a position in Parliament if it was not planned?
Alag,
Why was he sitting
stop
next to his
making
mother
cheap
today
personal
for the
digs.
first time in Parliament?
Stop making
it was
cheap
obviously
personal
planned.
digs, Mr. Alag. I understand that you are a brand manager for Mr. Modi. You are
Is
free
he?
to do what you like.
No,
At least
forget
that's what
about
it
brand
professes.
manager or not. I'm talking about
Please
facts,
do not
Sanjay.
indulge
Second row
in
he slept.
character
First row he comes with his
assassination
mother.
and
You
slandering.
explain why does the seat
You can
change?
please you can
You
curry
tell me why
favor
the
with
seat
Mr.
changed.
Modi.
That's all.
But please stop
Whether I'm a
running
brand
down
manager or
somebody
not,
because you're
you
on national
explain
television.
how he's moving from
Sunil,
third row to
display
second
some-
row to first row.
display
That's all.
some integrity
He can
and
raise
ethics.
any objection. He can go in and say what he likes, but the way he did it was wrong. That's all I'm saying.
No, 1 second.
Of course, he can question the speaker.
You
he can raise
no,
any issue he wants.
See,
but
even
the way he
He's
did
not-
it,
no,
Sanjay, just a minute. You see, I also believe that if somebody wants to be a theatre artist in Parliament, he has the right to. If somebody wants to show off their histrionic skills, Rahul Narvekar in Parliament, they have a right to. If someone wants to act and be a lead actor in a stage drama in Parliament, they have a right to. But I found it very strange that this was not about the issue of communal violence today. Because consider fact number 2. When the Speaker, Rahul Narvekar, gave time to the leader of the Congress in the Lok Sabha, Mr. Kharge, a chance to address the matter of communal violence, he was completely unprepared. Because when he said that since the Modi government has come to power, every place has witnessed communal violence. Then Mahajan asked him where specifically has communal violence occurred. Can you say specifically? Don't say generally. He says, bahut jagah. Bahut jagah, uske piche kiska haath hai, who is doing what, give me time. So he came completely unprepared. So the evidence here is that this entire drama today in Parliament was somehow giving Rahul Gandhi an opportunity to roll up his sleeves and do a little bit of action. So he seemed to be a person in whom all hope should not be lost. So Rahul Narvekar, I've given a couple of facts here today. You have a factual response to them?
Well, Arnab, first, yes, very much. Arnab, first and foremost, you need to realize, and I'm sure you know it better than most of the people on your panel here today, that what happens in parliament is not always extempo. Most of the strategies are planned by parties well in advance.
Admission.
And if a particular issue, there's something. One minute.
Admission.
One minute. Let me complete. Let me complete. Let me complete.
No, before you complete, there was a meeting. No, before you complete, is it true or not? Before you complete, is it true or not? There was a meeting between Sharad Pawar and Sonia Gandhi today. Is it true or not? There was a meeting between Sharad Pawar and Sonia Gandhi today. Is it true or not? Sonia Gandhi and Sharad Pawar met today. Therefore, what you are telling me, so they discussed to meet this drama, and you are admitting that this drama happened. In that meeting, they planned it out. They planned out this drama in that meeting, which is why you come on news to justify.
All I am telling you is that what happens on the floor of the house may not always be extempo. For the last 1 year,
you
when
admit
BJP
it
used
was
to come and
drama.
stall parliament, that
Great.
wasn't done extempo. That was done as a part of the floor management strategy by the BJP.
There is a moment.
And therefore, your charge today that this is a drama is not true.
There is a moment.
Number two,
There is a clip.
The allegation against Mr. Rahul Gandhi all these days was that he was an underperformer in parliament.
there is a
you
clip.
Not open his mouth. Today when he's leading from the front.
Sir, if you
today when he's leading from the front, why do you have a problem with
there
it?
is no
And number three, Mr. Arnab Goswami. Now, please, you just give me half a minute. Number three, you please realize that today look at the state. Today the Congress party is with 44 members of parliament in the house. Most of the senior members are not in the house who were leading the Congress party on the floor of the house. Therefore, I think it is incumbent on Mr. Rahul Gandhi that he leads from the front.
Mr. Narvekar,
and if he's done that today,
Mr. Narvekar, 3 points which you and Sanjay Jha.
That the Bharatiya Janata Party is getting unnerved by the fact that they are seeing people from the Congress and the opposition being more active than what they expected them to be. And therefore, I can completely appreciate why the Bharatiya Janata Party is getting so unnerved.
And the Bharatiya Janata Party realizes that an absolute majority is no guarantee of having a parliament where they can bully their way forward.
Can I ask Rahul
Aarti.
Not unnerved at all.
Yeah, no, Rahul Navrekar and Sanjay Jha. Okay, today Rahul Gandhi led from the front. Is he going to do the same thing tomorrow? Is he going to do the same thing day after? Will we now see him leading from the front? Or is it going to be just another one of those flash in the pan dramatics by Rahul Gandhi?
The answer is yes.
And ordered that the ordinance be thrown out.
Aarti, the answer
is the problem
is
with Rahul
yes.
Gandhi. He's not consistent.
The answer is yes. Y-E-S, yes. You will watch it in the days ahead, which is why the Bharatiya Janata Party is in a state of disquiet, which is why Mr. Jaitley took a 10-minute speech to wax eloquent on what he perceived were the issues within the Congress party. A red herring, because today communal politics has made India into a tinderbox. And all of you journalists know that more than anybody else. It is a serious issue. It has to be addressed.
No, 1 second. But
and we have to draw the attention of this government.
I think
attacking the media.
And can somebody please answer? Arnab, I insist.
Please
if Trivedi
understand that his mother is still leading him.
all of you don't speak together first of all. No, 1 second. Everyone don't speak together. 1 minute. Just a minute. No, 1 second. I just want to present.
I just निवेदन है कि आप सिर्फ एक प्रश्न का जवाब दीजिए. प्रधानमंत्री जी मौन व्रत क्यों किए हुए हैं, इसका जरा जवाब दे दे तो एक बहुत ही दिलचस्प रहस्य देश के सामने खुल के आ जाएगा.
Good that you're showing off your Hindi skills.
No, I'm not.
Answer my question.
I'm not. I think Trivedi ji is a master in that language.
because you are. No, watch it. Mr. Trivedi, don't respond to that for a minute. I think I want you to respond first because we are on the critical question of Rahul Gandhi waking up. Two visuals. 1 minute. Two visuals come to mind. About 2 or 3 weeks back, Rahul Gandhi went off to sleep in Parliament. What did that underline? It underlined the image of a leader who was disinterested.
No, I think you're being very unfair.
Who was bored. I'm not in the business of being fair to politics. Who was bored, who was more interested perhaps in what's going on in FIFA than what's going on in a debate on poverty, that also in Parliament. Today he tries to change that image, and it's happening at a time when there are serious questions about when he will give way to his sister Priyanka Gandhi. I don't think you can put this issue under the carpet anymore. Every second Congress leader we speak to, and I don't know how Suresh Prabhu is reading the subject, is looking at, you know, whether or not Priyanka Gandhi would be allowed to come in. And one senior Congress leader told us that, well, many congressmen would like it, but Sonia Gandhi would not be happy with that arrangement, because if Priyanka comes in, then that is going to mean that Rahul Gandhi is going to be completely shadowed by her more charismatic presence. Therefore, there is a context to all this. And by the way, Sanjay Jha, you know, you didn't answer my question. There were 640 incidents of communal violence with 93 deaths that left 2,067 people injured in the year 2012 when the UPA 2 was in power.
But
Rahul Gandhi was a member of
Mr.
parliament.
Gandhi
Did he
has been
speak once on it? Did he speak once on it? Yes or no? Did he speak once on it?
He spoke about
Did
it
he speak
hundreds
once
of
on
time
it?
in his speeches
Did he
and
speak?
interaction
Did he
all
speak
over
in
the country.
parliament on it or not?
He spoke about it hundreds
Did
of
he
times all
speak
over
in
the
parliament or not?
country. You pick Arnab, you just
Did
Google.
he go to the well of the house or
Google
not?
And
No.
pick up Mr.
Did he
Gandhi's
go to the
speeches
well of the house
over
or
the
not?
last 5, no, he may not have
Or-
gone to the well of the house because we were in government, right? So end
Oh,
of day,
no.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Did you speak on?
1
Did he
minute.
speak on it?
He
Did he
spoke-
speak on it?
1 minute.
Did he
spoke
open
about
his
it
mouth
at
on it?
length all over the country.
Did
The
he
question you
speak
need to
in
ask Mr.
parliament on it?
Trivedi is,
My question
did the
to
Prime
you is,
Minister, current Prime
Sir,
Minister
my-
speak on
my-
Muzaffarnagar?
my question
The
to you
current
is,
Prime Minister,
sir, my question,
has he spoken
sir, answer
Has
fact.
he spoken on
Sir,
Dinanath Batra?
answer
That
fact.
is the real
Sir,
issue.
don't cut the rhetoric. Cut
Mr.
the
Gandhi
rhetoric.
has spoken, that's my
Cut the
answer.
rhetoric in the year
Mr.
2000.
Gandhi has spoken hundreds of times.
In the year 2013,
He
and don't
warned
lie
about the rising right-wing extremism
In
in
the year 2013, 479 incidents of communal violence take place. 1,647 people, including 200 policemen, are injured. Rahul Gandhi, Sanjay Jha, you must remember, and people know this, did not care. No, he did not open his mouth. He did not even attend parliament to make one sentence on it. If you can prove to me that Rahul Gandhi made a speech in parliament about the rising incidents of communal violence in 2013, I'll stand corrected.
Arnab, a national leader has parliament, he has speeches, he speaks in interactions with the media,
Mr.
both
Jha,
short and long. I mean, there are multiple forums available.
So, Mr. Jha,
I mean, he's been one of the most
Mr. Jha,
vocal fighters of secularism in this country.
Mr. And etc. etc. Mr. Jha, the point is very simple, and Sanjay Prabhu, I think we are now coming to a critical part of this debate. So three things come up, Mr. Prabhu. 1 minute, Sabha. Three things come up. I just want to get Mr. Prabhu in there. One, Rahul Gandhi did wake up. B, Rahul Gandhi did not attend parliament to ask questions earlier. C, he's doing it at a time when he's seriously threatened. If he doesn't do it now, he could be thrown out. There could therefore be a palace coup. Therefore, the palace coup theory, the palace coup theory may not be completely incorrect. Look at the kind of comments coming in. Take a 2-year break, says a former CWC member. That's the writing on the wall. So, Mr. Prabhu, is therefore Rahul Gandhi's, what he's done in parliament going to be seen as an insincere attempt of a leader who's only struggling to somehow survive and hold on to his post, that also at his mother's prodding?
I mean, it's obvious that this was planned, as everybody is saying, and then it was orchestrated, and this whole drama was done in a way that should get some benefit. But I will just remind my friends who are saying otherwise that a Muslim leader said only yesterday that when they were accusing Modi of not hosting a iftar party, he said, we don't believe in the dramas. This communal violence cannot stop with the dramas. If at all we are very sincere about it, we should try to work on it. That's what a Muslim leader has said. So these dramatics really won't work in terms of getting any mileage out of it, except probably some space in media for a while. But what is important is that Congress party must reinvent itself if they want to remain relevant by getting into the real issues, which they did not do in the last 10 years. That's why they got such a bad dubbing in the election. And I think therefore, if really somebody wants to remain relevant, somebody wants to rise as a leader, then the only way to do it is to get back to basics and try to find out a solution to the problems of the people which are facing for so many years. And almost all 60 years out of 65 years, the Congress has ruled, and that's why these problems have come to fore. So therefore, communal violence, if that is a cause, really speaking, then the real solution lies not only just making dramas here, but actually working to make sure that what is the cause of this. why we are really trying to promote ideas which are divided the
Mr.
society.
Prabhu, one of the
So let us
biggest
unite the
causes may
society
be
rather than
something that the
dividing
government
them.
needs to speak upon.
No, you see the kind of, no, watch, Mr. Jha, Mr. Jha.
Mr. Prabhu represented the Shiv Sena.
Mr. Jha, that
for him
poster,
to give
that
long
poster,
lecture
that-
on communal
your- what
politics
is-
is a little
what-
bit of a paradox.
what is your
No,
view?
1 minute.
No, what
That's
is your-
the reason why
what-
the Congress
what
was on
is-
the floor of the House
what is-
today.
what is your
because
view?
this government
What is-
led by the BJP has been extremely dubious in terms of the silence it has maintained. Therefore, I
what-
keep asking Mr. Trivedi, the Prime Minister of India needs to speak on an issue that threatens the secular stability of the country.
So one second.
It's a serious issue.
That picture comes
Mr.
from
Mr. Jaitley can give it a spin, but that won't
Sanjay
work.
Jha, just a minute.
Yeah.
Look at the screen now for a minute, please. Look at the screen.